Oh, so you never played here yet?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
My dad, he played paintball with his military friend.
Okay. So you want to be over here and try it out?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, my friends, when I was in 5th grade, they introduced me into Airsoft, but I couldn't play.
Gotcha.
Steven, where do I put this? So,
all right.
now it's my first, now that I have like someone to connect it with.
Okay.
Where's our tape? Yeah.
Perfect. We need more people to come out. Good job. Awesome. I'm moving a little bit forward. I'm moving left. I see him. Which one? Oh, we have another wide door. He's moving left. He's moving left. Oh, he got me. Nice shot. Hit.
We got a couple. Take one. Go down, stay moving again, bro.
That was a good shot, man.
We're about to advance up on that
We
village.
want to advance over here so that we can cut the flow to go them to going left. Right. This is right. This is left.
Watch my back, Darwin. Got him.
Guys, still over there. We're trying to come up this way and push that way.
Yeah.
Do you know where it's not shooting me on me?
Yeah, just
I just got him. To your right?
slow over there so we can move.
To your 3 o'clock, I just got him at the triangle.
Come on, it's shooting at me.
Is there someone in that building?
Oh, yeah, somebody's in that building, I think.
Got him. Got one.
He's advancing back. He fell back. He pulled back. He pulled back.
Listen, you follow me.
He's inside the building. Go, go, go. Building to your 1 o'clock. There's 2 of them in there. Come here, Dom. Coming in. We got it.
On you, on you. On your building, on your building.
He's down?
Yeah.
All right.
Down the road, next side.
Hey! Somebody got me. Good job.
Down to the left. I think he got him.
That's it. Game! Good game, guys. Good game.
Good game, guys. Good game. Hey, hey. Face mask down, bro. Face mask down. You don't get shot in the eye, man. All right?
Yeah.
Until you pass, you know that entrance? And once you pass it, then take it off. Good game, bro. You guys like the word.
That was awesome.
Good game, man. Good game. You guys did a good job over on the
Yeah.
You guys held it down, huh? Nice job.
Mostly on the side of the map.
See what I'm saying about the mask?